Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide for making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing. We've got two titans battling it out. On the left, we have the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE, and on the right, the Creality Ender-3 V3. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one epic showdown. Alright, let's start with the most crucial category, price. The Ender-3 V3 SE comes in at a cool $219. Not bad, right? But the Ender-3 V3 steps into the ring with a heftier $299 price tag. So if your wallet is on a diet, the SE might be your new BFF. But hey, maybe that extra cash buys you something special. Let's find out. Next up, speed. The Ender-3 V3 SE can print at 250 millimeters per second. That's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printing. But wait, the Ender-3 V3 just said, "Hold my filament," and comes charging in at 500 millimeters per second. I mean, is it printing or preparing for a space launch? If you're in a rush to print that next-gen fidget spinner, you know which one to pick. Now, let's talk extruders. The Ender-3 V3 SE has the Sprite Direct Extruder. Sounds like something you'd order at a fast food joint, but trust me, it's powerful and reliable. Over 500,000 units shipped worldwide? That's some serious street cred. But the Ender-3 V3 brings the heat, literally, with a 60W ceramic heater and a bimetal heat break. It's like the SE went to the gym, and the V3 went to a robotics lab. Both printers have CR touch sensors for auto-leveling, so you can sit back, relax, and let the machines do the heavy lifting. But the Ender-3 V3 adds a sprinkle of smart algorithms to reduce vibrations. It's like having a yoga instructor for your printer. Namaste, my 3D prints. When it comes to build and stability, the Ender-3 V3 SE has dual Z-axis lead screws and Y-axis linear shafts. It's like a fortress for your prints. But the Ender-3 V3 steps it up with an X-axis carriage slide containing ball bearings. Smooth as butter. So if you want your prints to be as stable as your Wi-Fi signal, well, on a good day, both are solid choices. Ease of use? The Ender-3 V3 SE is practically plug-and-play. 3 steps, 20 minutes, and you're printing. But the Ender-3 V3 says, why stop at easy? It offers phone control, Wi-Fi, USB drive options, and even a filament shift sensor. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Who knew 3D printing could be this user-friendly? Both the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE and the Creality Ender-3 V3 have received mixed reviews from users. The Ender-3 V3 SE is praised for its quality and affordability, making it an excellent starter printer. However, some users have reported issues with auto-leveling and extrusion. On the other hand, the Ender-3 V3 is lauded for its speed and advanced features like Wi-Fi and smart algorithms, but it has also faced criticism for occasional print failures and quality control issues. Overall, both printers offer compelling features, but your choice may depend on whether you prioritize affordability or advanced functionality. Alright folks, there you have it. The Ender-3 V3 SE and the Ender-3 V3 have both shown their strengths. If you're on a budget and want something reliable, the SE is your go-to. But if you want to splurge a little for extra speed and versatility, the V3 is calling your name. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you Team SE or Team V3? Until next time, happy shopping and stay smart. Product links are in the description.